Use Boost in Subway Surfer. In this video, I will show you how to use Boost in Subway Surfer and fly past your high score. Open your Subway Surfer application. You have to buy Boost using your coins or win them from the mystery boxes, missions or daily rewards. Now you are ready to use it. Start a run. Right after the game begins, quickly swipe up twice to activate your boost. You will take off into the sky and skip all the obstacles for a while. And that's how you use a boost. It's perfect for fast start and high score.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.